Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This Excel tutorial is for how to use index function with multiple criteria. We have database which don't have any unique ID to do Vlookup. For that we have to do advanced index match function. Let's see how we can proceed. First we need to get division wise amount. For that we use Sumifs. Type index Sumifs bracket open sum range freeze, then first criteria freeze, comma criteria 1, comma criteria 2 location freeze it, comma references location bracket close, comma 0 bracket close, enter. First part is we have consolidated division and location wise segregated. After that we want to know each and every consignment wise details. One consignment will have different accounting system. How to get consignment wise details using multiple criteria? There are three criteria. One is division and location. Main is consignment. For that just type equal to index, give range, amount range, comma match bracket open. First match should be there. Type 1, comma bracket open consignment, give reference equal to, give reference consignment bracket close, then multiply symbol hashtag bracket open, then give reference equal to range bracket close, multiply symbol hashtag bracket open, location reference equal to range bracket close, comma 0 for exact match bracket close, Control+Shift+Enter. This is very important. Without pressing Control+Shift+Enter it will not work. If I change, automatically the value will be displayed. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.